Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to a new Super 69 EV film. My name is Tom, and you're joining me in my BMW i3, which I actually did a bit of work to lately because it needed it. It is currently at a whopping 126,789 kilometers. That means we'll be crossing into the 130s quickly. It feels like yesterday when I put 100,000 on it. I believe also it was my last film. I haven't filmed a lot. And when I was working on my car, I thought to myself, I must be the worst YouTuber ever to exist, because I did a lot of projects and I didn't film any of it. Let's start with the first one. I ordered new tires. I work at the BMW company. We are official service partner, so my last set of tires was a set that a customer didn't want. He wanted all seasons on it, 155s all around, and off came a perfect set of 19-inch. That's when I put the Brock wheels on. I got a year use out of it. Drove really a lot of kilometers on it, and they were fine. They were really good, because also they were for free, but they were shot. It wasn't safe to continue on them, so I ordered new tires. I ordered 155 19s Michelin E-Premises for the front, and 175/60 R19 Michelin Premises for the rear. Had them fitted by my colleagues, and I took the wheel set home because I wanted to fit them myself. Then on Saturday I finally fitted the Powerflex rubber that had been laying around for over a year. The OG viewers from back in the day know that I ordered one like a long time ago, but I never got round to fitting it. It is the Powerflex rubber that is between the chassis and the engine. When the car gets older, that rubber gets really loose and the engine can sway a bit, so to speak. When you're accelerating or decelerating, the engine moves. It got worse. I drive my car hard, so I thought it was not that weird that it was shot. So Saturday I started mounting it, and it took me about 4 hours or something. It was real fast to get it out. It was hard to get the mount out where it is pressed in. It was hard to get the rubber out, and then when I finally fitted the Powerflex, which was very easy actually, it was really hard to get it back in because there wasn't that much space. So all in all, something that if I would have had the lift, I didn't have it, it would be an hour tops. I'm sure of it. And now it took me almost 4 hours and I was spent after it. But got it done in the end, and the difference is huge. I cannot say anything else. The car feels tighter. There's a bit more noise from the engine, which I love. Don't think the microphone will pick it up, but it's really good. And that was my Saturday. Then on Sunday I decided to fit my new tires, and I did so. When I drove home, one of the tire pressure monitor sensors gave a fault code, so I had that fixed on Saturday. And another thing I found out, if I change the tires, I always inspect like the trailing arms and stuff a bit, not just to look at them and how do they look. Is there anything completely shot? Is there any rust? Is there anything I need to tend to? But all look good, because this car is built like a tank, and it's a light car, so things don't wear out as quick as with heavier cars. But then I also found out that the splash, one of the wheel liners was broken on the underside. So I made a mold, got some glue, and I tried to fix it myself, which is holding up perfectly. So gonna call that a success. And then on Monday I had the tire pressure monitor sensor fixed, and now all is well with the world. Everything is perfect. I really like the new tires. They're very quiet. There's a lot of tread on them, and I think I can get a lot of use out of them. But the tires are nice, but I absolutely adore the new Powerflex rubber. If you have a BMW i3, I can very much recommend it. I think it's one of the best upgrades you can do for not a lot of money and a lot of result. So that is in short an update on the BMW i3s. I continue driving it. I absolutely still adore it. It's such a cool car. I'm still convinced that it will be one of the first classic electric vehicles, maybe together with the Tesla Model S, because it's such a significant car, but yeah, it's just perfect. And I wouldn't know what to trade it for if I would buy something else today. I don't want to spend that much money on another car. I do have to say, if I would make a quick buck or two tomorrow, there is a car I'm very much looking at, and I'm tracking the prices of, and I will make a separate video about that because it's insane value, and I have the idea that not a lot of people are aware of it. So all in all, that's a quick short update on the BMW i3s. I don't have any upgrade plans for the coming future, and not sure what else to do besides keep driving it, keep charging it, and keep enjoying it. I do want to take it to the Nürburgring this year. That is a thing that must happen. Maybe Kyle from Out of Spec will be around and he can do a lap too, or maybe I can convince Misha that it's a good idea to take it for a spin. But this car is going to the Nürburgring this year. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. I am going to start making videos again, and I hope you enjoyed this video and you got something out of it. Have a good day. Bye.